Hello students, today we gonna learn tables from 11 to 20. Now let's begin. 11 ones are 11. 11 twos are 22. 11 threes are 33. 11 fours are 44. 11 fives are 55. 11 six are 66. 11 sevens are 77. 11 eights are 88. 11 nines are 99. 11 tens are 110. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 six are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. 12 tens are 120. 13 ones are 13. 13 twos are 26. 13 threes are 39. 13 fours are 52. 13 fives are 65. 13 six are 78. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. 14 ones are 14. 14 twos are 28. 14 threes are 42. 14 fours are 56. 14 fives are 70. 14 six are 84. 14 sevens are 98. 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are 126. 14 tens are 140. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 15 fours are 60. 15 fives are 75. 15 six are 90. 15 sevens are 105. 15 eights are 120. 15 nines are 135. 15 tens are 150. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 16 six are 96. 16 sevens are 112. 16 eights are 128. 16 nines are 144. 16 tens are 160. 17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85. 17 six are 102. 17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are 153. 17 tens are 170. 18 ones are 18. 18 twos are 36. 18 threes are 54. 18 fours are 72. 18 fives are 90. 18 six are 108. 18 sevens are 126. 18 eights are 144. 18 nines are 162. 18 tens are 180. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 19 threes are 57. 19 fours are 76. 19 fives are 95. 19 six are 104. 19 sevens are 133. 19 eights are 152. 19 nines are 171. 19 tens are 190. 20 ones are 20. 20 twos are 40. 23s are 60. 24s are 80. 25s are 100. 26 are 120. 27s are 140. 28s are 160. 29s are 180. 20 tens are 200.